Now, this illustration deals with manufacturer markings or field applied markings, either one, in accordance with 110.21A and B to the NEC. Now, notice these are recommendation markings and labeling that you would have as far as using labels. These labels are actually found in ANSI, Z as in zebra, 535.4 standard. Now notice the danger sign above is in red. And then notice that the warning of the danger sign, it indicates a hazardous condition which is not avoided by by personnel, will result in death or serious injury. So something bad is going to happen if you don't follow the directions of the danger sign. The next sign now is an orange background type, and it's a warning. And what's it trying to warn? The warning indicates, again, a hazardous condition, which, again, is not avoided. Now notice, instead of will, could result in a death or serious injury. And then the final label has a yellow background, which is more a caution or warning type, not a warning, but a caution type. And notice it cautions and warns and indicates that you still have a hazardous condition in that area, so be careful. And again, it's saying, look, if you don't avoid it, instead of will or could, it may result in a dangerous or serious injury. So they're saying apply these labels based upon, will something bad happen? Could something bad happen? Or may something bad happen? And gives you the color to indicate, is it a warning for danger? It's just a warning, or is it a caution signal? And that's what this illustration is showing. And notice in 110.16, if we look at the informational note there, it refers to Z 535.4 to review these labels, and that standard would recommend labels for different types of equipment to give the designer a good idea. Not saying that you have to do it, but it's just a recommendation, and that's what this illustration is showing. Does the manufacturer provide this marking, or should it be field applied by the electrician?